More companies are now using webinars to give online tutorials, trainings, and seminars to their customers and employees as well. You may have possibly attended a few webinars online yourself, so let's start and talk about what webinars are and how you can use them to your business. Webinars are an innovation from an old traditional style of seminars that are held in convention halls. It makes use of the internet, where you can conduct an online seminar reaching thousands of people all over the world. Webinars are widely used nowadays by large corporations to smaller scale businesses and entrepreneurs as well, to reach their audiences so that they can discuss more about the products and services that they have to offer to their clients. An advantage of webinars is that you can attend the event anytime and anywhere, even if you are in the comfort of your own home, in front of your computer, or in a cozy coffee shop where you can enjoy being outside drinking coffee while watching a webinar. As a host speaker, you can even interact with other members who are also inside via chat. This webinar could be a live video or a slide presentation. The host will see all the conversations in the chat window. The host will be able to see all the conversations in the chat window, as he can use that for his question and answer portion. There are several uses of conducting webinars: for online education and just giving value to your clients, a marketing tool to introduce your products to your customers and generate more valuable leads. Webinars can cover a wide variety of topics from marketing, sales, technology, and much more. You can conduct a free webinar or a paid webinar. Free webinars can introduce your products or services that you want to sell to your clients. Before the webinar ends, you may introduce the solution to the problem of your webinar's topic. These attendees are already interested to purchase this product or service from you. Paid webinars are much cheaper to conduct. For the host, he will no longer pay for the rent to a convention hall. No more tickets to sell. The only cost for the host is the promotion of his webinar. For the attendees, they will only pay for the cost of the webinar. No more dressing up for the event or transportation fees. A good thing about webinars is that it can be accessed via any gadget. Attendees from all over the world can access this. An attendee from Asia can watch a host speaker conducting his webinar from another part of the world, like Europe. A host can even schedule a webinar 3 times a day, depending on the time zone that he chooses. The option is up to you. You just need a webinar host provider or a platform that can deliver you features such as conducting a live video and being able to record it for later access by other members. Add more speaker to the webinar for maybe doing an interview with that guest speaker. Also, a chat window is useful where you can interact with the members while the webinar is ongoing. Calendar scheduling for the date and time of your webinar. And lastly, the registration page for tracking how many registered and attended your webinar as well. This will help you in your marketing plan in what topics are scalable, where more members got interested with that topic. What I can recommend to you is a webinar hosting platform called WEBINARLOOP. The URL is getwebinarloop.in. As I have mentioned, it does offer the features that you will need in setting up your webinar.